All right, so we're going to do the complete breakdown on how to use the AI virtual staging. I use Final Cut Pro, so that's what we're going to be doing. Appreciate all of you for watching this. Hope this helps to get more creative in these videos and be able to make more money by servicing your client. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your clip in here. And I already have it slowed down. So I slow it down to 50%. I don't add any stabilization in it just to show you the clip. All right, so I will do 2 seconds. So let's go to 2 seconds. Right there. So we'll just go here. All right, first thing you're going to do is back up one frame, and then you're going to go to edit on top. Then you're going to do the freeze frame. We got our freeze frame right here. Okay, so now we created the clip that we want to start the virtual staging app. So first step, freeze frame. Now we're going to do is export this into a JPEG or PNG. So make sure when you go to export, you go to export image sequence. From there, settings, make sure it's on JPEG or PNG, whichever one you choose. Now we're going to export it and then let that happen. All right, that's going right now. Minimize this. Make sure it's there. It's right here. Okay, so it should be the last frame. Get rid of this one. And so just play it back real quick. Make sure, yep, stops, boom. Okay, cool. So we know which frame it's at. We get it. Next thing you're going to do is go to Gemini.google. We're going to stage the photo, the vacant photo. Okay, so I'm going to drop it in there. And then please stage this living room with modern furniture. Okay, let it do its thing. It's pretty quick, actually. Let me see, probably less than a minute. All right, here's your living room stage with modern furniture. Now, the reason why I say this is because it's free, you guys. This one is free. All right, pretty good. Not bad. I mean, you can continue playing around with it, but in this, I'm going to now download it. Okay, so we have the first frame, which is the vacant living room or the vacant shot that we're trying to do. And then the second one is a virtual staging. Next, we're going to go over to our AI, which is Higgsfield.ai. Okay, so now we're in Higgsfield.ai. This is where we enter the first frame, which is a vacant photo, and then the last frame, the end frame, which is the stage. So we go into the stage to put it in there. Oops. Let me pull it out real quick here. Get rid of that. So the end frame right there. I mean, first frame, sorry. It's been a long day. And then the end frame. So now Higgsfield AI will actually be the AI video. So we make sure we're at clean 2.5 turbo. When you go to video, just go here. Boom. Make sure duration is at 10 seconds. Resolution is 1080p. Please have each piece of furniture come in separately. That is the prompt I'm going to use, and let's take a look. Okay, so it's officially done. Let's take a look real quick. 10 seconds. Why? Because we want as much. There it is. Boom, boom. All right, looks good. Not bad. There you go. Cool. All right, next step is we're going to go ahead and download it. Then we're going to go into Final Cut. Let's drop it in there. Now, as you've seen, it kind of took a little while for it to appear because we have 10 seconds. So it's trying to make sure that the entire clip is 10 seconds. But what we're going to do is we're going to speed that up. Let's just make sure. Boom. You see how? So what we'll do here is right there. You want to cut it. Speed this up. Fast. 2x. Now it should be like this. There you go. Look at that. And bingo. So we probably go a little. And there we go. No, I like the other way. There we go. And that's how you do it. Now you can actually add other stuff if you wanted to. You can go, you have all these different transitions that you can add on there. But I kind of like the smoothness of it. And it comes in and all set. So that is a complete breakdown, you guys. I wanted to make this super simple. If you want another breakdown on how to do exterior shots from day to night, let me know. But hopefully this helps. Have fun with your prompts.